Hi everyone, back with me again at this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a playlist on Spotify. So here I have already opened my Spotify on mobile, and to create a playlist you just need to go to your library. Then you'll see a plus icon at the top right corner. Just click on that and click on playlist. And here you can just give your playlist a name, so type in your playlist name, for example favorite, then click on create, and after that there will be recommended songs from Spotify. You can click on this plus in here to add it to your playlist, or you can also click on this add to this playlist and search for a certain song or a singer in here. Then you can add it to your playlist. Okay guys, so that's basically all. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks below. Bye.